This is a Halloween look for all you holosexuals out there. So I'm just gonna start off by using a normal black pencil, and I'm gonna start sketching out my skull, the jawline, the hollows of the nose, the eyes, where their teeth are gonna go. So I have a rough idea of where I'm gonna be filling in with black. Then I'm taking black Aquacolor from Kryolan, and I'm going to start filling in those spaces that I have just created. Then I'm taking a gold body paint from Mehron, and I'm gonna fill in the places that I have left blank. Basically, it's the places where our skeleton has bones. The cheekbone, the jaw, the teeth. Then I'm taking a black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna make my lines basically more sharp. Fill in between the two lips to make my design, to put space between the teeth and have the top jawline and the bottom line be separated. Then I'm making my teeth sharper, like the lines. And because the black on my eyelid is moving, I'm just gonna go all over it with just a black shadow to have it more even and for it not to move, basically setting it. Then I'm taking a gold eyeshadow from NYX, and I'm using the one from Love You So Mochi palette. I'm just gonna put it on the moving lid. Then taking Karla Cosmetics Fix Potion and 3D gold glitter from MAC, and I'm gonna apply it all over the gold. And going all over the other black spaces as well with the black shadow to make them more even. I'm also painting my ears and my neck. Then I'm going into the waterline with a black pencil and adding a little bit of glitter on the moving lid, and then sharpening all my lines with the black eyeliner. And creating some cracks just to make the skull more dramatic. And I'm taking some stickers from Face Lace, and I'm applying it all around the eye, the jawline, the cheekbones, but you guys can always draw them on with an eyeliner. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and all my social media will be in the description box.